Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on angle snapping. So first is you have to download an interception wherein you can see in this link here. So you have to search for interaxle and download the latest version, and then go to the assets and kindly click the first zip or the first file and download it to your device. So once it's downloaded, all you have to do is to extract that file. So let us tap on extract and just wait for it to be extracted. Once it's ready, open the file and then tap driver, and you can now tap install or driver install or install the driver. So while we're waiting for that, in another window you have to download a Visual Studio, and since I have a times 64, I'm going to download this one, whatever is compatible for you. So once Visual C times 64 is downloaded to your end, kindly open the extracted file, tap on this third one, and here you can now edit or add the number of the angle snapping. You can click preview changes or save changes once it's done. So that's how you enable angle snapping. If this helped, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.